In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Samsung S23 Ultra to monitor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which monitor you have, a gaming monitor, a standard computer monitor, desktop monitor, 4K, whatever, you will be able to connect and use your Samsung S23 Ultra directly mirrored onto it. So essentially you can connect your phone and then control your device while looking at the monitor. I'm also going to teach you how to enable DeX, which essentially mirrors a Windows style desktop. So you can transform your S23 Ultra into a sort of computer. To do this, you will need to purchase the corresponding cable. Usually it is going to be USB-C to HDMI. So you need a cable that goes from USB-C to HDMI. One end will go into the S23 Ultra and the other one is going to go into any of the available HDMI ports on the back of your monitor. You have two main ways to do this. You can either purchase a cable like this, so it goes directly from the phone into the monitor like this, or you can purchase one of these hubs. These hubs will go into your phone and they give you an additional HDMI port, but in this case you are going to need an HDMI to HDMI port. So essentially you connect the hub to your phone, and then from the hub you will have an HDMI cable going into the monitor. This is also good if you plan to connect additional peripherals like a keyboard and mouse, because they will provide you with USB ports, as you can clearly see here. So choose whichever option you prefer and establish the connection. After this is done, your phone's screen will begin being mirrored on the monitor immediately. Just make sure that you choose the appropriate source on the monitor settings. You can use it as is. However, if you want to have the desktop experience, aka DeX, which as you can clearly see mimics a Windows install with all of your applications on the desktop, the taskbar at the bottom right, and so on, what you have to do is swipe down from the top and choose the option here. You will have to connect a keyboard and mouse or some sort of pointing device. So to do that, as I've said before, you can use the USB ports available on a hub, or you can connect them wirelessly, whatever you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Samsung S23 Ultra to monitor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.